Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 not launching, crashing, or showing a black screen. Alright, let's begin. This issue can happen because of corrupted game files, outdated graphics drivers, or a faulty game installation. First, open the Xbox app and locate Forza Horizon 6. Click the three dots next to the game, select Manage, then go to Files. Choose Verify and Repair, then click Yes. Wait for the repair process to finish, then launch the game and check if the issue is resolved. If the problem continues, make sure your graphics drivers are fully updated. Open the software for your graphics card, whether it's NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and install any available driver updates. Once updated, restart your PC and try launching the game again. If neither method works, uninstall Forza Horizon 6 from the Xbox app using the three-dot menu. After the game is removed, reinstall it and launch it again. That's it for this video. Thanks.